washing. Значи толкова целия.
Другото е 91,3.
Now that we've finished the back of the house, the second level, we've completed the soffit, all the horizontal lap siding, installed the windows and the trim, the vertical trim, the soffit trim. We're ready to move around to the front, and the three front gables and the dormer all get this hardy shingle siding. It's a hardy product, just like the hardy siding. It's a cement board product. And it's designed to look, in a sense, like cedar shingles. It's much more uniform than cedar shingles, so you can tell by looking at it, but it's still a very nice looking product. And it matches well. It's a good blending of different styles with the lap siding and the shingles. That comes in 5 different widths, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 10. And then we put those up, kind of blend it together to make it look like a kind of a random pattern. In the front of the house here, we're working on the gables, the 3 front gables. We've installed the hardy cement board shingles on 2 of the gables. We're wrapping up the 3rd gable, and once we finish that, we'll move over to the front dormer. And as we get up close to the window, it was just the opening, and then once we get close, then we install the windows. And people ask me sometimes why they're called shingles and why we put shingles on the house, but the terminology first arose back when wood was used more, and they used cedar and other kinds of wood for putting on roofs and walls. And the shingles are typically milled finish and more precisely finished, whereas the shakes are hand split. So the shakes will vary in width, anywhere from, say, 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch, and of course you see the grain lines and everything very clearly on that. And the shingles are more precisely milled, and they go on the walls, because that's where you see the finish, and that's where a nicer finish is needed. So that's why it's called shingles on the walls and shakes on the roof. another Friday in the books here on Ridley Circle. Finished up on the north side, we finished up the siding this week. Got that all prepped and caulked and nail holes filled and ready for paint. And then we moved around to the back, got the shingles on the roof, on the low pitch roof that stretches across the back and then up each side a little ways, and we did that so we could finish the siding. We installed all the siding on the back, and we had to do them kind of together because we had to flash the roof and get that turned up behind the siding, so we like to do it in tandem. When we had that done, we moved around to the front. We installed the 4 windows in front, finished the soffit, and then started all the shingling. So we've got the 3 gables shingled, and we're almost done with the dormer. It's been off and on raining today, so we've also been working inside, framing in for a fireplace that'll be installed in the next couple of weeks after the gas line has been run. Next week we'll work in front, get the lower half, the main floor wrapped up with all the siding. We'll put in a new large window here, a new window over there, and get the front sided, and then move around to the driveway side, the south side of the house.
We're visiting encouragers and admirers. The work is so beautiful.
Yeah, it is.
Beautiful work. This should bring you to Michigan.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wouldn't you like to come north?
Yeah. Been a while.
Yeah.